So, good day, my people. So, I'm here today with a story, as you can see by the title. And I want you guys to drop a like right now, because this is very interesting. Yes, my people. So, I'm going to get right into it. Yeah. So, you guys remember the exotic dancer that died couple months ago? So the father is offering a reward, so I'm going to let you hear what he have to say and what the story is saying. Yeah, my people, bless upon yourself. Father of saying exotic dancer offering reward for info on killers. It has been almost 5 months since Donovan Campbell lost his child, Shandeka, Shandeka Diamond Campbell, 28 years old, who was found dead in a guest house in St. Andrew. Diamond, who the police said was an exotic dancer, was found laying in a pool of blood in a room at the establishment. Investigators said that she was last seen entering the room of the guest house with a man. The police are yet to make a breakthrough in the case. Campbell has now put up a financial reward of $175,000 and is hoping it will assist in bringing his daughter's killer to justice. The reason for me putting out the reward is to let the killers know that I have not given up on my daughter and we are still looking for him. He told the news. I just can't rest knowing that someone took my daughter out just like that. The Crossroad police station said that about 8 a.m. Saturday, December the 6th, one of Diamond's friends went looking for her at her room at the guest house. The friend gained entry to the room and found her laying in a pool of blood. She then made an alarm and the police were summoned. Diamond was then transported to hospital where she was pronounced dead. Campbell said that he has been receiving much information from not been receiving much information from the police and the investigating process. He had previously stated that the police were handling the case with much willingness, but he is now left to wonder. They keep telling me the case is still open, but I don't see much being done. And based on the autopsy, she has not been raped or anything. So that should tell them there is a killer. He said, he added, a part of me wants to find out from the commissioner what's going on in Jamaica, because a lot of women are dying, and I have 3 other daughters down there, and I'm extremely worried about their safety. The distraught father said he has been struggling to cope with the death of Diamond, and whom he shared a close relationship. It is tough for me all up to now, because me still can't understand why me and her used to talk on video call regular, and sometimes I feel like I would call her and then me remember she is gone, Campbell said. Yes, my people, so that was basically it. So it's really sad. So the father is offering a $175,000 reward for capture the killer. Yes, my people. So I hope you guys have a lovely day, And I will come in with more stories. Don't forget that I will be coming with more. So please like, share, subscribe. Yes, my people. Bless up.